Hi, my name is Daniela Brown and I am the safety advocate with UPPAbaby. I am here today to talk to you about the Knox convertible car seat in the forward-facing direction and tips using vehicle belt. For purposes of today's video, I have already taken the liberty of pulling out the seating fabric, and I'm going to remove it completely so you can see what I'm doing. This is a great feature because this whole piece can be entirely removed and washed, laid flat to dry. I've also taken the liberty of already routing my vehicle belt in the forward-facing belt path, which is red. Taking your lap belt, which is the bottom piece, and ensuring there is no twisting, you want to place that lap belt behind the red tensioning plate. Taking your hand and applying it right where the curve happens on the inside of the Knox, place weight directly into your wrist where it's almost at 90 degrees. While you're doing that, pull up on your shoulder belt at the same time. Keeping it nice and taut, as you can see in my left hand, so not removing any tension. You want to route the belt under both tensioning clips, as you can see right here. And you're trying to seat them up as much as possible. On the buckle side, you may not get it as evenly distributed all the way up, and that's okay based on the angle. But the opposite, the buckle side, you will get it fed all the way up, as you can see here. Next, you check your tension indicator, which is part of our SmartSecure system. In the Knox's case, this acts like a guide to help with installation. It may not be triggered fully green, and that's okay. What drives this is all of the cushion angles that we see in the vehicle and on the Knox itself. So there's two recline positions in the forward-facing direction on the Knox. There is a cushion angle, back angle, as well as the angles of your buckle and your seatbelt. They all play a role in where the lap belt sits behind the plate, which is what triggers the tension indicator. So again, it will be triggered green, may not be fully green. You should always go back and check your belt path, which I will come back to in 1 second, because there's one step we need to do prior to checking our belt path, and that is getting our retractor locked. In this case, in this vehicle, our locking mechanism in our seatbelt is in our retractor. I've pulled this slowly all the way out. Now I am going to feed all the excess webbing back into the retractor. Finally, I go through my checkpoints. I ensure I have good contact with my vehicle cushion. I have good contact with my vehicle back. And then the last step is always checking your belt path. So your belt path is where you fed in your vehicle belt. So you're grabbing here and you're checking to ensure there is no more than an inch movement cross car and front to back. And this is the Knox convertible car seat forward facing install with vehicle belt.